Boss lady asks, thoughts on travel with pending I-751. I have to see the strength of your I-751. If it's a weak case that may get denied or something like that, then or you have also immigration background, you have certain like violations or fraud or something like that, then it's not good. But if it's clean, then it's okay. But one thing I was talking to a friend of mine yesterday, what you think as a person who's not in the immigration space think is a clean case is different from what I think is a clean case, because the way that immigration is, it's so complicated. It's like taxes, where you don't even know where you went wrong sometimes, and it isn't until we like dig in deep that we find it. Like I had a consultation with a woman today, and she, speaking of other states, she was in the East Coast. I don't want to say the exact state, but southeast of the United States, and she was asking one question and really worried about something that wasn't even an issue. And then as we were digging in, I realized they had made an error on another application, which is probably going to cause her husband potentially be deported if he doesn't fix it. So it's kind of like she didn't even realize that was an issue. And she's like, "Oh, my husband talked with the lawyer. He had a phone call for 20 minutes with them." I'm like, that's not a real attorney that's prepping. The lawyer has to get in there and read the case, and they should have notified you. I found within a second of her telling me the information, I realized what the issue was. That the attorney should have caught it. So that's another reason, if you're going to consult with lawyers, you have that patience and maybe prepared to spend money, but talk with 3 or 4 different immigration lawyers. What you find is if you talk with 4 immigration lawyers, you're going to get 5 different answers. Imagine that. But that's the reality of the law. It's complicated. People have different experiences. Some people know what they're talking about. Some people don't.